Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add your phone number on OLX account. So first we're going to go to the OLX app. Then next we're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the pencil button right under your name. So under phone number, you're going to insert your phone number, but it should be a Pakistan phone number. Then once you're done, you're going to click on save. They're going to show you some CAPTCHA, so you're going to insert that as well. Then that's how you do it. It's an easy tutorial. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.